Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for On Gardening. One of the most attractive little trees is that of the bottlebrush. And I say little, the tree can probably get to be 30 feet tall, and yet that's considered little compared to trees that get to be 100 feet tall. As you can see, of course, it has that bottlebrush look. It has a neat little red flower that's an attractive flowering plant and is used throughout America, especially in the southern part. It's not real cold hardy, so if you had it up north, you'd probably have to grow it in a container. Bottlebrush also have some problems with nematodes, which are microscopic little eelworms which affect the roots. When you plant it, make sure you make a $10 hole for your $20 tree. That means add extra peat moss, extra cow manure, really improve that soil. By doing that, you help to improve the beneficial bacteria which actually eat upon some of the nematodes. So it's sort of an organic way of keeping this plant looking its best. Bottlebrush, of course, are a good choice for all of us, and you might want to have it as your landscape specimen. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.